Now student, we will study 7D of R.S. Agrawal of class 8th. In this exercise, we will study about the factorization midterm breaking. Now, in the first question, it has given x square plus 5x plus 6. We have to factorize it. But this is different from other three exercises. Here, first step, we have to multiply first term to third term. As I have multiplied here, it became 6x square because x square is multiplied with 6. And now we have to break 6x square in form of in two steps whose sum will be 5x and multiplication will be 6x square. Here, what are the numbers whose multiplication will be 6x square and addition will be 5x? So we have found 2x and 3x. These are two numbers whose sum will be 5x and whose multiplication will be 6x square. So we will put here x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. Now 5x broke into two parts, 2x and 3x. Next, here in the grouping in two groups it has divided. First group x square plus 2x and second group 3x plus 6. So from first group x is common in both terms, so x is taken as a common, so it remained inside of the bracket x plus 2. And here in 3x and 6, 3 is common, so we will take 3 outside, so again remain x plus 2. Out of these two groupings, x plus 2 is common, so we will put it outside. Now it remained x plus 3. So in second bracket it has written x plus 3. And now we can say the factorization of x square plus 5x plus 6 is x plus 3 in the first bracket and x plus 2 in the second bracket. Now second question, here it has given y square plus 10y plus 24. जैसा कि मैंने पहले ही कहा है कि इसमें फर्स्ट और थर्ड टर्म का मल्टीपल हमको करना पड़ेगा. जो भी इसका मल्टीप्लाई आएगा उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमको मिडिल टर्म को ब्रेक करना है, और ऐसे ब्रेक करना है कि उनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन फर्स्ट और थर्ड टर्म के बराबर आ जाए, बट उसका एडिशन सेकेंड टर्म के बराबर आए. अब हमको कैसे पता करना है कि यहाँ एडिशन होगा या सब्ट्रैक्शन होगा? अगर थर्ड टर्म के साथ प्लस के सिंबल है, यानी फर्स्ट और थर्ड टर्म का मल्टीपल अगर पॉजिटिव आ रहा है तो वहाँ पर दोनों नंबर्स एक सिंबल के होंगे. यानी अगर दोनों प्लस का है प्लस के होंगे, प्लस यहाँ पर है सेकेंड टर्म के आगे तो दोनों प्लस के होंगे, माइनस है तो दोनों माइनस के होंगे. ये डिपेंड करेगा कि इन दोनों का मल्टीपल प्लस आता है या फिर माइनस आता है. देन हियर द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ द फर्स्ट एंड द थर्ड टर्म इज 24y square. So we have to found a number that whose multiplication will be 24y square and addition will be 10y. So I have found that in table of 6, for this type of factorization we have to learn the table. 6y and 4y. Addition of 6y and 4y is 10y, and multiplication of 6y and 4y is 24y square. So it has been broken in form of y square plus 6y plus 4y plus 24. In two groups it has divided. In first group there was a common y, so y taken as a common. Now remain inside of bracket y plus 6. And in second group 4 is common, so 4 is taken as a common and remained y plus 6. Here y plus 6 is common in both grouping, so we will put it outside. Now what remain? Y plus 4 is remain. So in second bracket we will write y plus 4. So its factorization became y plus 6 and y plus 4. In third question, it has better explained p square plus 6p plus 8. So as I have told you, firstly we have to multiply first and the third term. First term is multiplied with third term. Here 8 multiplied with p square, it became 8p square. We have to found a number. We have to break 6p in form of the number whose sum will be 6p and multiplication will be 8p. So it is very much easy that 4 plus 2 6 and 4 multiplied to 8. So I have written here 6p is equal to 4p plus 2p, and here I have done multiplication also. 4p multiplied with 2p, it is getting 8p square. It is getting 8p square. So we will break this p square plus 4p plus 2p plus 8, and now we will regroup in two terms. Now in first, as I have underlined, so in first group the p is common, so it will remain p plus 4, and in second group 2 is common, so we will write again, after taking common 2 in the second group, again it remain p plus 4. Now p plus 4 is common in the both term, so both grouping, so we will put it outside, p plus 4. And now what remains? P remains and then plus 2, so we will write p plus 2. Next question of same type, x square plus 15x plus 56. So first we have to multiply first and third term, so it became 56x square. As right side I have done each and every procedure, so I have taken two numbers whose multiplication will be 56x square and addition will be 15x. So for that sake we have to, as I have told you, that we have to learn the table. So 7 8 ja 56 and 7 and 8 became 15x, as I have shown here. Now it will break x square plus 7x plus 8x plus 56. Now out of, we will divide it two groups. So x square plus 7x first group, x 8x plus 56 second group. So we will take x from x square plus 7x and remained x plus 7, and in second group I have taken 8, so it will remain x plus 7. X plus 7 is common, so we will take it out. Now x plus 8 is remain, so it will put in the second bracket. So its factorization became x plus 7 in the first bracket and second bracket x plus 8. Second same type of question is given, x square plus 13x plus 40. First step, multiply first and third term, so it became 40x square. And now break 13x in form of multiplication of 40x square, but addition should be 13x. So we have to learn the table. 5 8 ja 40, so 5 and 8 13, so I have written here. So in form of 5x and 8x it will break. X square plus 8x plus 5x plus 40. So x is taken outside, so it will be x plus 8, and in second grouping we have taken 5 outside, then it will remain again x plus 8. X plus 8 is common, so we will take it out and remain x plus 5 will write in the second bracket. Now we have to go on the next question. Now in this question it has given minus in the mid term. In mid term number it has given minus. So we will continue it. The same procedure, first step, multiply first and third term, it became 21q square. Now we have to break 10q in two parts, but their sum will remain 10. How I can say that there will be sum? Because the multiplication of the first and third term is coming positive, not negative. अगर पॉजिटिव आएगा तो वहाँ पे मिड टर्म अगर माइनस भी है तो दोनों टर्म माइनस के ही टर्म में ब्रेक होंगे. Now it has broken in the form of 7 and 3. So 7q and 3q. So q we will divide into the two groups. Q square minus 7q minus 3q plus 21. So from first grouping taken q as common, so remained q minus 7, and from second group minus is taken common, minus 3 is taken common, then it remained q minus 7. So in here q minus 7 is common, so we will write in the first bracket, and what remained? Q remained and minus 3 is remained, so we will put in another bracket. Question number 9. Here last term is given negative, so first and last term will multiply. 16 minus 16 multiplying with p square, so it is getting answer minus 16p square. Now it means 6p will break into two parts whose one part will subtract another part and getting the answer 16. So as we have studied the table, 8 2 ja 16, so 8p minus 2p is equal to 6p, and here 8p multiply minus 2p is equal to minus 16p. By mistake I have written 16p square, so here it will break p square plus 6p minus 2 plus 16. So we will divide into the break into two groups, first and this is second. From first group it has taken p as common, so it remained in the first bracket p plus 6, and in second group it has taken common minus 2, so it will remain p plus 6 in the second bracket also. So p plus 6 is common in the both group, so we will put it outside, and it remained p minus 2. P minus 2 is remained, so its factorization became p plus 6 and p minus 2. Next question it has given where midterm is minus is given. Now firstly we have to multiply first and the third term, so it has multiplied 42x square, and it has given 23x. It has given minus, but its both term will minus and they will do a work of addition, but their multiplication will remain same 42. So you have to learn the table. 7 6 are 42. Here we will put two numbers with a same sign, minus 7x minus 6x, so it became 42x square, and minus 7x plus minus 6x, it became minus 13x. So x square minus 7x minus 6x plus 42. In two groups it has divided, so from the first group we have taken a common x, so it remained x minus 7. In second group we have taken common 6, so again it remained x minus 7. So x minus 7 is common in both group, so we will take it out. One x minus 7 is outside, now remain x and minus 6, so we will write in the second bracket x minus 6. Next question is same, y square minus 21y plus 90. So here first and third term will multiply, so it became 90 multiplying with y square is equal to 90y square, means it should be, means middle term 21y should be break into the form of 90y, whose multiplication will be 90y square, but their addition should be 21y. So 15 6 ja 90, 15 6 ja 90y square, and minus 15 minus 6 is equal to minus 21. So we will write here y square minus 15y minus 6y plus 90. Now break into two groups, first group and this is second group. So from the first group we have taken a common y and remained y minus 15. From second group it has taken minus 6. It has remained y minus 15. So y minus 15 is common, so we will put it outside and remained y minus 6 will in the second group, in second bracket. So its answer became y minus 15 in the first bracket and y minus 6 in the second bracket. In next question, x square minus 22x and 1 plus 117. So we have to break 22x in form of 117x square. So we will break it minus 13x minus 9x. So it will 13 9 ja 117. So its answer became minus 100. It became plus 117 x square, and minus 13x and minus 9x, it became minus 22x. So it has been broken x square minus 13x minus 9x plus 117. तो जो फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट है, फर्स्ट हमारा ग्रुप है, हम इसको टू ग्रुप्स में बांट लेते हैं. तो फर्स्ट ग्रुप हमारा है एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 13x और दूसरा है माइनस 9x प्लस 117. फर्स्ट ग्रुप से मैंने कॉमन लिया x को. जब हमने x को कॉमन लिया तो यहाँ रिमेन हो गया हमारा x माइनस 13. सेकेंड ग्रुप में से मैंने माइनस 9 को कॉमन लिया तो ये हो गया माइनस 9 टेकन एज अ कॉमन एंड देन इट रिमेन x माइनस 13. तो यहाँ पे x माइनस 13 कॉमन है तो मैंने एक ब्रैकेट में x माइनस 13 रख लिया. बचा क्या हमारे पास x और माइनस 9. सो वी हैव रिटन इन द सेकेंड ब्रैकेट x माइनस 9. So our answer became x minus 13 and x minus 9. 16th question is given that in this question the last term is minus. So here second term will break into the form of minus. In subtraction it will break. So x square is multiplying with minus 132. So it became minus 132 x square. तो हमको x को 132, लिसन, जिसको नहीं समझ में आए वो आसान तरीका है उसके लिए कि वो प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन कर सकता है. तो जब हम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करते हैं तो टू पार्ट्स में इसको ब्रेक करेंगे. 11 मल्टीप्लाइंग विथ 2 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 3. सो दिस फर्स्ट ग्रुप and this is second group. Their subtraction will be always 1 because it is coming 11x multiplying with 12x. It is getting answer 132x square, and from 12x 11x subtracted and getting the 1x. So it will remain x square plus 12x and minus 11x minus 132. From these two groups, from first group I have taken x as a common, so it remained x plus 12, and from second group it has taken 11 as a common, then it remained x plus 12. So x plus 12 is common in both groups, so we will take it out, so it remained x minus 11. Now on the next question, this is the same type of question is given that first term will multiply with third term. Now x square will multiply with minus 104, so it became minus 104x square. So we have to break 5x into the form of subtraction, whose subtraction will be 5x but multiplication will be minus 104x square. So we have to learn the table. 13 8 ja 104. So we will write here 13 and minus 8. It was plus, so the greater number will be a sign of with a greater number will be a sign of positive. So plus 13x minus 8x. So it became, from the first group it has taken x as a common, so it remained x plus 13, and from second group it has taken as a common 8, so it remained x plus 13. Now it remained x plus 13 is common and rest numbers are x minus 8. Next question it has given z square plus 19z minus 150. So first and third term will multiply as I am telling from the first question. So minus 150 is multiplying with z square, so it is giving answer minus 150 z square. And here we have to break 19z into the form of two numbers whose subtraction will be 19x and whose multiplication will be 150. So 25z multiplying with 6z, so it is getting 25z multiplying with minus 6z, so it is getting minus 150z square. And from 25z 6z is subtracted and getting the answer 19z. So it has written here z square plus 25z minus 6z minus 150. It has divided into two groups. First group x square plus 25z and second group minus 6z minus 150. Here z is taken common in the first group, so it remained x plus 25, and in second group it has taken 6 as a common, then again remain z plus 25. So z plus 25 is common in both sides, so we will take it common. So remained x minus 6, it will write in the second bracket. Same type of question is given y square plus y minus 72. So we have to break y into the form of a number whose multiplication will be 72 but their subtraction should be 1. लिसन, मैं कैसे जान रहा हूँ कि यहाँ सब्ट्रैक्शन होगा कि मल्टीप्लिकेशन? मैं शुरू से बता रहा हूँ कि फर्स्ट और थर्ड टर्म का मल्टीपल अगर माइनस में आता है तो हमको यहाँ सब्ट्रैक्शन करना पड़ेगा सेकेंड टर्म के लिए. अगर प्लस में आता है उनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन तो वहाँ पे एडिशन ही होगा. एडिशन होगा वो चाहे सेकेंड टर्म प्लस में हो या माइनस में हो. माइनस में होगा तो दोनों टर्म माइनस में ब्रेक होंगे और प्लस में होगा तो दोनों टर्म प्लस में ब्रेक होंगे. बट यहाँ थर्ड टर्म अगर माइनस होता है तो एक टर्म प्लस होगा एक टर्म माइनस होगा क्योंकि हमको सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है. नाउ वी हैव टू लर्न द टेबल. 9 8 जा 72. So 9y minus 8y is equal to y. So it has been broken in the form of y square plus 9y minus 8y minus 72. So from the first group y square plus 9y, we have taken y as a common, so it remained y plus 9. And from second group 8 is taken common, so it remained y plus 9. So here y plus 9 is common, so we will take it common and remained y minus 8. These are two expressions which are the factorization of y square plus y minus 72. Last question of today. A square plus 6a minus 91. So we have to break 6a into the form of 91 whose subtraction will be 91, whose multiplication will be 91 but subtraction will remain 6a. मतलब किसी भी कंडीशन में थर्ड टर्म बदलना नहीं चाहिए. ब्रेक तो होगा ये दो पार्ट में, लेकिन ये किसी भी कंडीशन में चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. मतलब ऐड होने के बाद फिर से वही आए या सब्ट्रैक्ट होने के बाद फिर से वही आए, और मल्टीप्लिकेशन फर्स्ट और थर्ड टर्म का मल्टीपल ही आना चाहिए. देन वी हैव टू ब्रेक इट. a स्क्वायर प्लस 13x माइनस 7a, a square plus 13a minus 7a minus 91. So we have to break into two groups as I am underlining. So a is from the first group taken a as a common, so it remained a plus 13, and from second group it has taken 7 as a common, so it will remain a plus 13. Now first group a plus 13 is taken as a common and remain a minus 7. And for getting the more videos of it, you have to subscribe my channel and like this video and share with your friends to continue and promote me.